I was thinking that we should make a white Poké Ball.
Like a small one?
No. Like my whole room.
You want your whole room to be a white Poké Ball, like...
Well, I could even be the Pokemon.
So you're like the Pokemon sleeping inside the giant Poké Ball. And that's what you want?
Yeah. This, like, all the blue white, like, leave, like, this white, and then this right here, red. And then it will be a Pokeball. Okay, and then we take this, once we're done with the Pokeball and it all dries out, and then we can put Pikachu, on it, and then, like, that, like, can, like, be the Pokemon,
Okay,
basically. A Pokeball with an alarm clock.
So what do you think the first step is? Since we're gonna replace the carpet, probably rip up the carpet, huh?
No, I like my carpet like this.
No, we're ripping up the carpet. It's
No. No, it's still good.
Ew, gross. But before we do that, you're gonna have to clean your room. You ready to cut up some carpet? All right, we're gonna go. Wait, what? Yeah, but head start. Hold on. Okay, wait. You gotta watch these, okay? Because those are pokey. We're gonna have to rip those up.
Because there is nails.
There you go. Pull it.
I like it sharp.
Oh man, everything's falling apart. Hey,
Wait, sorry.
you gotta pick up your darts.
Oh, sorry.
All right, awesome. As you can see, we've worked really hard to prepare the wall in the room. We've gotten the floor completely ripped up. We pulled the wallpaper off and we ran into a lot of problems with the wallpaper.
I used a screwdriver to get some of it off, and then I used,
To score it,
and then this,
which also didn't work.
which totally didn't work because I made a humongous hole. I dig down into the wall.
And then I went and bought this, which is a razor blade, and I'll make sure to link into the description so you guys can get this too if you're doing wallpaper, because it was really useful.
Like,
It allowed us to scrape the vinyl off first, and then we were able to scrape all the glue off, and that helped us really clean the wall off completely. But then we ran into double wallpaper in one area, where it looked like there was wallpaper on top of wallpaper.
Three. The wallpaper.
It's now smooth, so it's ready for painting. Except
But we have to prime first. Boom chakalaka.
quick tip. Make sure you have the right tool for the job. And when kids are helping, that means the right size tool for the job. Go for it. You hear that? Okay. You want to make sure that you start over on one side and then you work your way this way, okay? And then when you run out, and then you push the paint down. See how it's goopy? You don't want that. That's too much paint.
How do you get to do the corner?
Because you're using the roller.
Why can't we trade?
You could trade. You want to trade?
Yeah.
All right, here.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Now that we have the white done, the next step is the red bar. All right, bud. Can you turn the lights off?
Wait, what?
Yeah, so we can turn this thing on. Ta-da!
Look.
And that's how we're going to mark everything.
I'm tilting it. But look.
Do you know what that's called?
Psychological.
No, it's a laser level.
See the scene? I'm gonna turn on the light. 3, 2, 1. Boom!
I gotta be able to see what I'm doing now, so.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, no.
What?
We ran out of tape.
Wait, let me see. Pull up to the camera. No!
Oh, but it doesn't even go all the way to the end. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to run to Lowe's and get some more tape, bud.
No! Please, no.
Too late.
Ah!
We got tape again.
That took a long time. Why'd you barely
Here, you gotta...
hit the subscribe button? For some reason, my daddy took the bar off because I was hanging on and I loved it.
Can you bring me that spatula thing?
Spatula?
Yeah.
Spatula.
The spatula thing again.
What's a spatula?
Put a pin nail right at the bottom there. Put notches both at 6 inches and 12 for my pencil to write in. Got it all cut out. And now we just gotta paint the red. You know what the most nerve-wracking part of this whole thing is? If any little drop on the white, we're screwed. All right, now that we have the painting done, and while we wait for that to dry, we're gonna go ahead and...
Stink bug.
Oh, stink bug. Ugh, I hate those things. One of the problems that we are gonna run into, so we're putting down a laminate floor, and we wanna make sure that there's nothing sticking up that could poke through the laminate flooring and poke through the foam that we're gonna put down first. So we have to go through this entire floor and make sure that there's no staples or nails sticking up, and pull all of that out if there are things sitting there. And I think there's definitely some staples, so we'll have to work on that. Tool is appropriate for the job. So for him, it's a smaller hammer and a smaller
Thingy.
Thingy. Nail puller.
Thingy.
Crowbar.
Thingy.
Thingy. Because if I would have given him those, he would not be able to do that.
No.
Appropriate size tools. Right? Kinda. You can barely nail you in the head, man. You can barely hold on. Try to get a staple out of that.
Yeah. Okay. That didn't work.
You like your tools better?
Yeah.
Awesome. Is it filming?
What do you think?
I'm thinking yes.
Correct. Don't be loud, everybody. Don't be loud, everybody. Don't be loud, everybody. Did you like what my daddy did? Sorry, I went through that.
Getting there. I'm working on clearing everything out. I come across this. if you can see what that says. Let me see. My wife wrote that, knowing that I would come across it as I was cleaning the floor.
Look at this floor! Okay, now we gotta take the tape off. That's the hardest part.
What's the hardest part?
Yeah. Wait, shut.
Go for it.
Shut, bro.
Remember when you pull it, you need to make sure that you're pulling it away like that. Ooh, look at that. Ah! How did I miss that? No! It's a singular little drop. I'm gonna have to see if I can get rid of it. Oh, these edges are nice and crisp.
Which that is good.
Yeah, that is good. Oh, I still gotta pull the center out.
This like this.
All right, now that the floor is done, we're gonna go ahead. Well, that was unexpected. I actually took off today, he doesn't know this, to be able to finish up the room before he gets home. So he'll be surprised when he sees it. Let's get this done. A little bit of a time crunch. I think we can do it. Now, obviously, that's a problem. But thanks to a wonderful channel called DIY Creators, which I will link right there, I learned a tip. A little bit of caulking. White caulking in the joint makes it disappear. Boom, just like that. So if I do that here, it'll make it disappear there as well. Oh, he's almost here. And I've got all this stuff to put together yet, including hanging a hook up there. Whew. I honestly don't know if that's right. When all else fails, pull the instructions out of the trash can. Since this is going to be for a young child, and this is on some laminate flooring, we're going to go ahead and put some felt pads on the bottom of this so that it can slide around without scratching the floor. And when you don't have the right size, you improvise. Bed frame done. On to the next. This time, we're starting with the instructions. Can't really film it well because it's really dark because I don't have lights because I'm doing the outlets, but I wanted to say that I'm doing the outlets. Ta-da! There you go. Like that. Oh, he's happy. All right, we got him up. We got most of the room staged. Oh, I gotta get the lights out of here. He's almost coming up. Oh, I forgot the blinds. No! Quick, gotta get these done. This is a little risky, but we're just gonna go straight for it. Oh no, my battery died!
Say it again.
What?
Always have a battery.
Always have a battery charged. Always. Because they die the most inopportune moments. Like when you're rushing to get something done. right, quick. These awesome new ones are super easy to install. Boom. Like that. And then you just center them up. And then
This is amazing. It's very amazing. Very amazing!
what do you think?
Good.
We'll have to get you a subtool for that. What do you think?
Oh, I didn't even see this one there.
Oh, so yeah, over here we got your reading nook. Look at that.
Yeah.
You can get in it. You can get in.
Yes, yes. Yeah, wait. Yes, wait. I never tried this before. Ooh. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Ah.
Well, we'll have to fix the spinning, huh?
And,
But yeah, see, you can sit in there and read your books.
and I can go to sleep. So comfy. And Pikachu.
Life size.
He's like, that's how tall Pikachu is.
Yes. You like your room?
Yes.
Is it the most amazing room ever?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, you're right. There is one thing we weren't able to hang on the wall, and that's the Minecraft sword.
Daddy, we should make a item frame on the door. On the wall.
An item frame?
Yeah.
From what?
Minecraft.
You know what? That's a really good idea. Let's do it. Join us over here when we release that video. And if you haven't seen us make the Minecraft sword, click right over here.
Best day ever. Kaboosh, 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 kaboosh.